back to Math Solver 1117, where math become easy and fun. Today we are going to solve Olympiad math problem, that is 2 raised to power x plus 1 plus 2 raised to power x equals 48. You have to find the value of x. For this purpose, take the left hand side in which 2 raised to power x plus 1, 2 raised to power x. You can write 2 raised to power x plus 1 as 2 raised to power x into 2, because according to the law, you know that a raised to power m plus n can be write as a raised to power n into a raised to power n. So we will apply this rule here. So 2 raised to power x into 2 plus 2 raised to power x equals 48. Now from this you can take 2 raised to power x as common. So remaining is 2 plus 1, that equals 48. Now 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 raised to power x into 3 equals 48. Now you can see 3 is multiplied here, so it will be divided. So you will write 2 raised to power x 3 by 3 equals 48 by 3. Divide 3 on both sides. So when 48 is divided by 3, 3 ones are 3 and 3 6 are 18. Now you can see 2 raised to power x equals 16. Now we will take the LCM of 16 and see what happens. So 16 is divided by 2, we will get 8. Then 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. You can see we can write 16 as 2 raised to power x equals 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, 4 times 2. This implies that we got 2 raised to power x equals 2 raised to power 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now when the bases are same, powers are also equal according to the rule that a raised to power m equals a raised to power n. When the both bases are same, we will say that m equals n. So we will apply this here and check 2 raised to power x equals 2 raised to power 4 implies x equals 4. So this will be the answer. Now we will verify our answer.